A beautiful sunny morning this morning across Vermont. Temperatures on the chilly side. We've seen some readings get down well below 10 degrees and approaching 0 degrees. Those temperatures and making a nice rebound, and it looks like we'll see temperatures basically trying to make a run into the mid and upper 30s, approaching 40 degrees in some locations today. Lots of sunshine, high pressure control. Enjoy. And our weather pattern is generally easing, but it's still pretty cold. You can see these cold batches of Arctic air still cutting across portions of Canada, kind of a west-northwesterly flow. Occasionally we get a ridge of higher pressure like this one here. This would be valid for next Friday, which will move in some Mexican air and finally raise some temperatures, but it's relatively short-lived. As you can see, this is very, very cold air. This is going to be tracking across Hudson Bay. And just to our north, it looks like it brushes northern Vermont, but stays out of southern Vermont and points south. We're right on the fringe. Looks like a little bit of a warm-up thereafter. Quick look at temperature trends. Still pretty much on the cold side. This is the American GFS, just barely getting us up above the 32-degree mark. And for the European, you can see highs today in the mid-30s. Tomorrow a little bit warmer. We see a little bit of an uptick here, but a little cooling off period toward the middle part of the week, and then temperatures make a much better run as we get into Friday with the about the highest temperatures I've seen on the European model and on the GFS model, easily getting into the 50s, and this usually means probably near 60. That won't happen until this Friday with a little bit of a spike here. And then we're back into the cold. Roger Hill, Wuthering Heights.